Yes.
Okay, now, wait. Yes. What's so funny? Somebody's just laughing there, like, okay.
They're laughing at you.
Don't worry, I'm also laughing at me. I'm super funny.
Good.
Good.
Why is the soft body cramping together when I press my on my live?
La 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 la. When you start la 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 la.
It's like the Roblox, you know. Na
Bro,
na
my
na na
count
na.
is
Na na
stealing
na
my
na na.
voice.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Oh my god, Harold,
Na,
no,
na,
no,
na,
I think,
na.
have you forgotten to take your
Na, na, na,
medications today?
Na 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 na.
Oh my god.
Na 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 na.
Alright.
Na, na,
Hello
na,
everybody!
Na,
Or
na, na,
whoever
na,
is
na.
watching.
Na 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 na.
Harold, take your medication.
Na,
man.
na, na, na,
Yeah, I don't wanna.
Which one?
All of them.
Which one? All of them? Bro, even my schizophrenia meds?
Twice of that dose, please.
Of those, that, yes.
Where were we from last time? I forgot.
I think we
No,
were
no, no,
where we
no.
were last time.
Right. We wanted to start doing actual loading vertices and stuff, so we can get something cooler than that. We also need a camera. I haven't done the camera yet. Oh, that's crazy. But
Oh, nah, yeah, he's cooked. I think new project, guys.
new project. It's a new project, guys. Anyways, because we want to do the push constants. I think I'm gonna close this thing for this. And the push constants I wanted to add into descriptor here. I think I'm creating a new structure for it because it will require some slight tweaks. I think I had. Gonna open up another one of these and take it over to here. Vulkan push constants. I guess there's a small tweak we'll have to do in order to make it work. And one of those things are this thing. Now, this is actually not that hard. Wait, split the window.
That's hard, that's what she said.
Oh my god, this Harold, guys. Can you believe him? We'll take this from here. Actually, we'll cut it because it's not even required. And then we'll close that and we'll take it into here with this initialization over here. Yes, that's what we'll do. We'll do this. Boom, put it there. Wow, look at that. Now, actually, this was dumb as fuck to do. I was just joking. We won't. We'll do it maybe slightly. We'll take it not that good.
Holy shit, my physics are not physics and physics.
Physics is thing. You need cheesecake on the project. He's great with physics, apparently.
Oh, he is already on the project, but he's taking a break.
Tell him to. Tell him he will not get paid if
thinks
you
like
continue
he's
taking a
18
break.
years old, bro. He's just taking a break, he says.
Oh no, just tell him he won't get paid if he continues to take.
Break?
Yeah.
This economy? Bro, get back to work.
Bro, I can't afford to pay him like my $0 that I pay him every day.
Yeah,
And,
exactly.
Like, bro.
But tell him.
Tell him. Bro is speaking Hebrew. Tell him.
Bro, why is every chat so goated right now, bro? General is goated, and Cool Things is also goated.
That's good
What
that
is
it's
that?
goated.
Silicon as an external dependency is crazy shit.
Silicon? What? Like the material?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
okay.
we talked about in like general, it's about C23.
Yeah.
They added defer and stuff, and here it's about.
They
like,
were
Lucas-
in
yeah, yeah. Lucas,
Alright.
in Cool Things, you gotta scroll up to the one
Cool
video. Yeah, a little bit
Oh, this
more.
one.
Yeah, exactly this. Yeah, and just read the chat from there.
No, okay, yeah, I saw it. It's
Not
most based thin. It's so thin. Bro makes
True.
Minecraft with Minecraft font. Lol. Now I kind of want to take it one level deeper and with an OS. Where it was an OS less game video, but it's relied on UFF driver. You should do one with the drivers written by you too. To be honest, UFI is like an OS by itself. It's nothing like BIOS, which is more like an abstraction layer. Already done. What? Then another level. Start from nothing. Gather materials. Build PC. Make OS. Make Minecraft. Make your own CPU with Verilog. Make an assembler for it. Then make the language for it. Then make a kernel on that language. Make an OS. Make a game. Then make a GPU on Verilog and hardware accelerator game. Damn, wrote it down. Planning to finish in 100 years. I would still be relying on silicon as an external dependency, not hard actually. No.
Bro, these external dependencies are crazy.
Yeah.
Bro.
Your own. Well, you cannot spell own universe.
Is silicon actually cross-platform? I don't know, bro.
Oh my god. We cannot be for certain, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll take in the push constant type from here and then we'll... This might be a bad idea, but I think it will work. The music already died. God damn it. Let's see, but it should be... Hold on. Wait, the range and then pipeline layout create inf. Do I need to... Wait. Do I just create... How does this push constant... I think I might not know how it works. I thought I had to create a pipeline layout. Okay, but then it's probably provided inside of... Did the music die again?
You're dead. You're dead.
Nah. I'm dead, you are dead, we all died. Yesterday.
Died.
We all died. Okay, but then it's nothing more than just doing this, I think. And then we'll put it in the... Wait a minute. Do we even need to do it like this? We can literally just...
Alright, sleeping for a minute.
Sleeping for a minute? That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Alright,
Turning
bye bye.
Bye!
Go
Power
to sleep. Power nap. Power PC nap today at tchef.org.
Tchef.org,
Yeah, now it's
yo.
down, bro. Ever since like Cheesecake, took a break. Like I can't afford to have a server up and pay him,
Yeah,
like-
nah. Kick him. Kill him. I think I have to do an ampersand. I think it was a double pointer here. Sure. Or? Wait. Wait, hold on. If this has to be persistent, then it won't work right now. Then I actually have to allocate this thing. That's okay. We can do that too. Can we? Okay. How will this connect with shader objects? Shader objects. Push constant. Because how do I provide? How do I bind the resource?
It's probably like I would assume it's like, isn't it in the layout? Yeah.
So push here, push constants. Let's talk about them over here. Brother. Let's see. Can I? This page is goddamn awful. There. Okay. So what the hell am I supposed to do? Okay, create a shader with current text, current and next stage bit, and set the shader GLCell shader descriptor sets and push constants. So they provide push constants here. Where is this coming from? And then shader type basic, so they have an index. And then skybox frag shader new. What the fuck is this? In the middle of the line. they have this thing. I don't see how this connects to anything because it's... Oh wait, they just provide it... What the fuck is going on over here? I'm really trying to read this thing.
Oh, and that's C++, bro. Not possible.
Because it's like, okay, I can see... Oh, that's the end of the function. Okay,
You
so
know,
this... Then they
How
get...
can you even be sure the equal operator actually assigns that? Huh?
Yeah, I think it makes a clone and then it assigns
It's
it.
undefined behavior.
It's
Undefined behavior, bro.
undefined behavior. Actually, no. Okay, now I see, because it's just a bit hard to read the syntax. This is like the first, and this is then the fragment. Okay, rather that I could have. But yeah, push constants, you provide that with there. Okay, that makes sense. So you just give it a push constant. This comes from an array somewhere, and this is some indexer to what push constants you want. And let's see, what else do they... Where do they do actual like push constants? You can do something with geometry, shit. Anyways, push constants, push constants, push constants here. Bind descriptor and push constants for the skybox draw. So you still have to do a command push. Yeah, and then you would just do the push constant stuff. Yes. So you provide also the... But here they have pipeline layout. This is what I'm trying to... No wait, pipeline layout. Wait, what?
Do you still have a layout with shader objects or not?
I do have a descriptor layout, but I don't have a pipeline layout. I don't think that makes... Do I actually need a pipeline layout? With shader objects? I'm thinking that I shouldn't need, but maybe I do... A layout might be needed still, but I don't need an actual pipeline.
But then you could actually switch layouts without having to switch pipelines, you know, just to...
Yeah. Update the push constants for cube 1. Material push constant. Yeah, and then their command push constant. Well, if you still have to create the pipeline, I guess. I guess you have to, right? Is it time for GPT time?
Ask GPT first.
Yeah. I mean, this is a stupid question. It should be able to answer. I cannot close this. Taking so much space. Okay. There. When doing shader objects in Vulkan, I don't need a pipeline, right? No, I don't need a pipeline. Do I still need a pipeline layout if I wanna use push constant? Ish. Constants. Yes, you still need a pipeline layout if you want to use push constant. Even when using shader objects. In Vulkan, push constants are defined by pipeline layout, not by the pipeline itself. Shader objects remove the need to create graphics compute pipeline, but they do not remove the pipeline layout requirement resource interface. The interface, so the rule is shader objects, no VK pipeline. Push constant descriptors that still require layouts. Okay. So we'll quickly create them the pipeline layout. Woo! Now I wonder if I could just take it still from. Have I actually just removed the whole pipeline thing? Hey, hold on, wait a minute. I just went like lol bye, and then I was like, now I'm like, oh, I need it. Okay, that's okay. Let's see, I'm gonna go and check it out real quick. How did I do it? Because if I just have a convenient code snippet for it, I can just copy it there. Let's see if it's... Where was it? It was in... Did I put... No. Renderer. Vulkan, and then there should be pipeline here. Let's see, what do we have here? I think the layout is just within the init here. Yeah. Yeah, so it's literally just this thing. Well, then I should descriptor. I cannot put this inside of the descriptor. That would just be wrong. Yeah, that would be so wrong. Pipeline create info. We can take it from here though, the old version. Create info, pipeline layout, create info. Basically this is what we care about. Shader stages, that's when you actually get to creating that. The pipeline, so that we don't care about. But this we can join from here. We are not gonna put it in here because I thought, but then I was like, no. Unless if I rename it to layout. And then we have layout, descriptor, and layout. Pipeline. Nah. We ain't doing that. We're doing assets. No, not assets, I'm a stupid. Source. Client. Renderer. And Vulkan. And then I'm gonna call this pipeline.zig. And then we're gonna paste that in here, save it once, and be sad about it. And then we're gonna do an std, so we're gonna get in the std, and then we're gonna get Vulkan as well here. Am I dumb? It should be just that. And then here's all we see. Okay, not then. Let's see. Pa-pa-pam, pa-pam. That's so weird. Wait, let me try this. So. Language server couldn't provide a rename. What the fuck? Ew! Bless me.
Yo, it's the cheesecake.
Nah, no way.
Actually, no way. Yeah, cheesecake. I'm trying to figure stuff out right now. Yeah. It's still a little bit buggy at some places, but... Now you see this is cooked. It rotates back this way, but I want to rotate it other way.
Oh, we're gonna have to take in. Oh my god.
Why does it rotate so slowly? That's what I don't understand.
Bronze, device. Fuck. I hate that this sometimes breaks. And then I'm gonna say device, okay. Like that. Device, like, oh. And then logical. So we get the logical device, we get the push constant, and then we can do the things in here. I don't know if this is good enough for the creation of this thing, yeah. And yeah, so we'll do this. We'll get to
I think
see.
I maybe have an idea what the problem might be.
We don't do that yet, we don't do this, but we'll do this thing. I don't think I have to do a pointer cast here. Ranges. But I might have to do the ampersand. No, because that should be a pointer by default. But if it's a double pointer, what is it? No LSB, that's fantastic. We'll get it in a bit. And then push constants len. Well, then I should do an array of them. Now I will just say 1. Just gonna get it to work, and then we're gonna check it in the check. Oh my god. Utils. Check. And let's see. Unused function parameter bindings. Yeah, but that would be if we... No, that wouldn't even be relevant here any longer. Like so. Okay, so... Right now, this is all we should be needing for... bruh, I should... Const... Oh my god. Okay, wait. What am I... pipeline. Physics. Const, and we're gonna call this one is now push constant. So pipeline layout. For now it will be very simple, but it's enough to get by. There, and it should be enough to create the layout. We still need to return and we need to store a handle. Yeah, let's just call it layout handle, and that will be C VK pipeline layout. Like so. I don't know, the LSP is apparently broken again. Might have to go to Helix for a while.
Helix.
Yeah. Every time that if the LSP breaks, I'm immediately going to Helix, and then it works all of a sudden again. I'm like, okay, back to.
Yeah, that's the worst you can do actually, I think, because switching constantly between these two is like cooked, you know?
Nah, because I prefer the Neovim in a lot of places. The only thing is that Helix is more stable with the LSP for some reason. I don't know why. And then LSP wins over anything. I would even go to VS Code if LSP didn't exist on any of these.
Would you even go to cursor?
But then I wouldn't have to type anything. So what would be the point of LSP then? I think then I would rather use Notepad++ than cursor.
Oh, no way you get Zig LSP with Notepad++.
No, like if I didn't even have LSP. Nah, I would just use Vim, you know, just normal Vim. Nano. Oh, I don't even know, like, is there any good key bindings in Nano?
No.
Nah. Just nah. We are not gonna do this, and we're not gonna do that either. For the moment, at least. We're gonna do the shaders. I'm gonna change this. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say pipeline layout. Yeah, and I'm gonna import it. So we're gonna go here, const. Should I call it? What should I call it? I'm gonna call it pipeline layout. Fine. Layout. Like that. Yeah, it's so dumb. No, I don't wanna. I'm just gonna take in pipeline. 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 Vulkan slash not Vulkan. Fuck. Vulkan slash pipeline. We've got the pipeline. And the same way that we do. What the fuck is going over here? Yeah. I'm gonna call it pipeline dot. It's not public. Oops. Pub const and go back to Vulkan. Layout. So create is not marked public. Well, it is. I don't know what it's lying about. I will build once and it will work. Yeah. Stop lying. Okay, now we'll have... We should have a problem with this here, but it's not being... Oh, wait, did I... No. Whatever, we're not gonna have this. Instead, I don't know why I commented it out, because if you're ever gonna take it back, I will write it down anyways. Push constants. We will go like this. Self dot pipeline layout is equal to dot init. I'm gonna pass in device and then the push constant. So device, not that device, self dot device, and then push constant like so. That's it. Should I store with the layout the actual? No. Nah. Okay, we'll go back to Vulkan. And then in the shaders we will no longer... Will not... Yeah, we'll remove that. We'll not do the range... Hold on, what the fuck? What the fuck? I cannot... Yeah, because this is weird now. I cannot just... This is... Wait, what the fuck?
What's the problem?
Creating the pipeline layout, and then I should store the ranges in the pipeline, because otherwise I would have to now recreate it here, and that's... I know it would work because it's like it's gonna be the same shit either way, but it's just I shouldn't have it in two places. That's what I'm thinking is dumb. Let's see. Oops. Well, I guess I will just say lol and dot. What the hell? Well, we'll just say count is equal to 1. There's probably a better way to go about it. I'm just gonna get it to work first. We're not gonna keep this. Don't worry about, guys. Don't do this. Don't do this. DOS lol xd. But yeah, we're gonna go do the push constants, and we're gonna create the damn thing. Push. Let's see. So what do they do here? They do this. They create the pipeline layout. Create pipeline layout, and then where do they provide? I am in the shader. I mean push constants. I need shader objects here. So you create the shader object with the push constant ranges, so you store them somewhere, and then you create the shader stage. Let's see, that was just the... push constants, command buffer, layout, size of... Yeah, I really need a centralized place to even store all of these things, because this is going to be needed. But for now it's fine. Let's see what else is there. No, I think it's fine. It's just push constants. But should it happen after, then find the descriptor sets? Yeah, so before the draw, yeah. Okay. Where do we have all of this beautiful stuff? Here we got it. Hello, penguin operator. I'll do it here. So I don't think I have to go through the extension, but I'll do it. VK command push constant. No, okay. I will not do it. I will go through the normal C. VK command push constants. And I will provide the command. And then the layout, which will be self dot pipeline layout dot handle, obviously everybody knows that. Then stage flags, this is just C VK. When did I have to provide it again? Shader stage vertex bit. I think that's what I want. Let's see, what did they shader stage vertex bit? Yeah. And then this one offset is 0, yes. Then it's the size, that's just add size of, and then we're gonna provide push constant. I know it's not the best. P values, what the fuck? Ah, obviously. Most important thing. Variable. I'm just gonna call it push. That's just push constant is equal to, and then in here, what we're gonna provide is we're gonna provide null here to begin with, because we don't really want to touch that time. We're gonna pass in time. And then we're gonna provide address of push. I think it's like that, yeah. Okay. That should be it. Let's go. Let's see. Actually, this should already work then, if it's good. So if you do Zig run client, oops, it daisy. Okay, it actually doesn't find Vulkan in systems, but pipeline is not part of system. It is. Is it with lower V? Am I dumb? Ah, ranges expected. So it wants the point. I think it actually wants a range, but I think a pointer should be same. Maybe first index, but let's see. Okay. Whoa. Let's see. It's found Vulkan line 120. Expected found type. Right. Layout. Yes. Null. Okay, that's okay. It's actually founded like that. Just gonna say 0. Okay. Oh, we don't like that. Oh, but that's because the shader is wrong. Right. So if you read this beautiful error, the bound bit shader was created with push constant range count of 1, which doesn't match the bound biggest fragment shader created with push constant. Why was there a fragment shader bit shader created with push constant count of 0? I just want the vertex to have it. But does it actually, does both need it? Can I not use just one? Count, which doesn't match the bound VK stage bit created with push content count 0. Oh, right now? Wait, all bound graphics shader objects must have been created with identical or identically defined push constant ranges. Oh, so wait, all shader objects needs to have the same. Ah, okay. I thought I could just make the fragment shader, the vertex shader have the push constant, but apparently I need it for all of them. Damn.
Lucas, what are you doing right now?
I'm making push constants, so I can pass the index buffer to the shader.
Fire.
Mm. But did you know that?
I don't even know. How do you even do only push constant vertex shader? Like what?
No, that you actually need to do it. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, what the fuck?
I don't know.
I didn't know that either.
Don't do this in the.
You don't do them? Okay, but then wait. So I'm just gonna quickly let's ask GPT about it because this sounds so weird. Do I actually need to make it? Well, wait. The push constant and the ranges as well. Vulkan push. It identifies which shader stage can see push constant if you want to use the same push constant. No, I just want it to be. I just want it in the vertex stage. But I got this. Weird. Actually, what Vulkan specs warns of all shader in graphics file must agree on push constant ranges, even if only one actually uses them. In your case, vertex shader uses push constants range. Yeah, your fragment shader doesn't use push constant range 0 count. Vulkan sees mismatch error. Declare it's the same push constant range for all stages in the pipeline, even if some stages don't actually use them either. So just is it enough to just say the range to beater, but don't actually include it? For the dummy range for the fragment stage, so that damn it. Well, let's first do this then. Pipe it, boom. Oops, double piping. Let's see. Is that enough to? Let's see. Well, it seems to have been enough. There's no more errors. So, I wonder, do I need this or will this complain? Let's comment. I think I have a hot reload enabled. Yeah? Oh no, it did not like that. So we're gonna keep it like that. Okay. Yeah, clean. So, in theory, what I'm thinking right now, this is interesting. Okay, if you go to the vertex shader right now, we will be able to say this, and we will be able to take in. I don't know about this though, but this should be fine. Yeah, no, this should be fine. We should take in a vertex buffer and then a time, and we are not using them, but this should be fine if I save this. Let's see. Okay. But now we should actually have access to the time, so we should be able to do a... We could do something funny. What could we do? We could take the position or the color. Ooh, colors. We could actually manipulate the colors. So what we can do is we can multiply by is it sin? No, multiply by sin, and then we pass in time. Let's see. Yeah? Is it working? Or is it just slow? Okay, I'm gonna change the Vulkan render real quick. What the fuck? Oh wait, but time is always constant. I need to pass the accumulated time. Okay, so I will disable this thing, so it will be there persistently, and then I'm gonna change so that we can see the brother. If I would remember, would be crazy. Here we will put accumulated time. Self dot accumulate something with time, elapsed time. I should probably call it accumulated time. Let's see. That's crazy. That's maybe a bit. Let's see. We can probably turn it down a bit. Whoops. How did I redo in Neovim? Like that, nailed it. Okay. So we can divide by 100. And that's too much actually. Oh yeah, because it's. Oh yeah, no. That's fine. Actually, what we can do is we can take. Wait, it goes from. Sinus, so it goes from -1 to 1. So what we can do then is that we can plus 1. So then it will go from 0 to 2. And then we'll divide it by 2. So we'll always have, yeah, maybe a little bit faster. Like that. Woo! So we got the push constant working. Crazy.
Yo, whoa. Damn, shit.
Yeah. And it's hot reloaded shaders and code logic.
Do you push the time right now?
Yeah, I'm pushing the time.
No, Lucas, you know. Wait, you already used sign probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a psychopath. I wouldn't be using cosine.
But now use it also for the position.
What, you mean multiplying all of the positions by it?
Nah, add. Just add the position.x by sign.
Wait, can you do this by a 2-dimensional? Will GLSL understand if I do plus sign on a 2-dimensional vector?
Nah, it won't.
I don't think it will. I will have to do individually.
Just do .x and split also up to .y.
Yeah, I guess I could do that. I could actually take them out so it's a bit cleaner.
Yeah, also thought about that.
One thing I need to do is that right now, if it tries to load this shader, it will detect there's an error, right? This is not good, like the code is wrong. And I don't have a thing to just skip the shader, so it will crash the whole program if I were to save this. So you better write the right code. I should probably it's actually just adding a continue or a return from loading the shade.
Isn't it the vector 2? Whoa.
No, I was thinking of doing X and Y. Like this, so you do the dot.
Oh, I thought you do like vector 2 position. So then you just have to say like post.x times sign and stuff, you know?
Yeah, no, I will do this. I will do the same thing, time divided, and... Well, this is fine if it goes from minus...
yeah, that's fine.
I will paste that, and then we'll do y.
But do cosine.
Cosine. And then we'll switch in here, right? X, Y. And hopefully I know how my shaders work and this will be fine. If this Let's see.
Make it more divided. Make it more divided. So it's slower. It's a little bit too slow probably, but yeah. Oh, actually, no, it's fire.
You can actually take it divided by 2 so it stays within frame. Oh my god.
Yeah, also affordable.
Please.
Oh, it's fire.
That is fire. Holy shit. It's very funny. It's just like a simple triangle kind of thing, you know? Like, it's nothing extra with it, but still, it's pretty funny.
It just annoys me when it's like a wide angle triangle. Like, I don't know, it's like, I think a normal triangle would look so much better, or a quad, but like, the wide angle triangle, it doesn't look good when it rotates, you know?
Wait, it's, which position is that I have wrong? Oh my god. Oops. It's the
last one. No, wait, no, not the last one, not the last one.
Because this is left.
Vulkan.
This one is,
Vulkan is the top. Wait.
This one is the furthest to the right bottom. This one is the... Am I right?
This one, yeah. This one
Yeah.
should be 0 on the X, right?
Yeah, no, wait.
Not on the Y, not on the...
My bad.
Wrong one. Oh, revert. Wait, then it's the third one, yeah. Third one. Third one should be 0 on the X.
Wait, no, let's think this through, okay?
Third one, wait, the third one.
If this is
the third one on the...
This one is the X05. This one is 05. This one is top left, right. Top right now. And we just want it to be top.
The top, that's the bottom right. Bro, we actually had that, like, if you... Wait. Bro, trust me, put the last one, X... Wait, what? No, okay, yeah, now it's back to the right angle, yeah. Put this to 0. Just put this to 0. It's 5. Trust. Like, I'm not sure, but... Okay. So, how did I fail, like, 50-50? Okay, nah.
But let's take the logic through, alright? If this one...
Okay, then it's the first one to 0. 0, 0. Now trust. Okay, wait. 0.25. 0.25.
No, this one is...
Minus 0.5.
No, boom!
Okay. First try.
First try. I can't believe it. Oh, that was perfect.
First try, I guess.
First try. I don't know. I just love messing around with the hot reloading. It's funny because like we can do anything in here. Really, we could what? Well, I don't know if there's
make an error in the code.
No, but if you make an error in the code, it won't compile. It only use the compiled version, so it won't. Thank God. You know, that's another good reason why you should use Zig. You can't accidentally hot reload in not working code.
Like in C, it's the same.
No, C still lets you compile things. Like it allows for more undefined behavior stuff than Zig would, because of the explicit stuff. Very explicitly explained, right? But there's also like kind of like, of course, you can also do in Zig like fucked up stuff still. Like I could do a
White to null.
Yeah, I could do that still. So
do what?
In Zig, I can still write to null.
It would write to null.
It would allow me to compile the program, you know.
That tries to write to null. What do you mean? What?
Like trying to trying to you know write to that address.
Trying to set the null address.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is a Zig fault.
Yeah.
Yeah. But...
Or what?
No. It's don't worry about it, Harold. Go back
in the compiler.
Go back to windowing. Go back to windowing.
What compiler would be like? Yeah, nah, bro. I can already see this is undefined behavior.
Rust.
Yeah, but Rust is special needs. Okay, say any other language.
Oh, that it didn't like this.
Well, I mean, it looks pretty Sigma, you know.
What do you mean
I'd say.
didn't like this? You
I
changed
put it to line draw, but I got a few.
Oh,
Why do you get a few of these? Because the top is bound to graphic stage, so graphic file is bound with was created with Vulkan Dynamics.
cross line width.
Ah, with line with state enable the current value of rest rate is VK false, and effective rest rate input topology is in the line topology chess. Line must have been called, not subsequently invalidated in the current command. Ah, wait, so I set line width. Yeah. So wait, if I do call it, I will have to also call extension vk set command set
The validation error code, but I mean it still works.
line width. Wait, how do I set line width? It doesn't show up.
Say set line width.
Set line.
Don't trust your LSP, just do
This is when it crashes, you know that, right?
it.
What if I put 2? Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, it is there. Oh no, it didn't compile. I have that it times out after 50 attempts. What does it say? Extension has no member. I should probably make it so it doesn't does that, so you have time to fix the errors, but command line.
Nah, just make the timer, but every time it fails, just make like a 10-second wait or like a 3-second wait.
That could work. Ah, it is just a normal C call, brother.
Ah,
Hello?
Hello.
what's up?
And hello, Showery.
Fred, did you finish?
There it is, and now there's no errors.
Fire.
And now you could.
No, the line is too big.
No, it make it bigger. That's horrible.
It actually looks quite fire, not gonna lie.
It looks pretty fire. And what could we else? I don't know. I'm kind of like. Shaw is just fine. Shaw, it's just fine. Okay. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. We are doing weird shit in the stream. What if I make it faster on the one axis?
Whoa, yeah, that's actually fire.
It is pretty fire. It's like stupid things that doesn't really make a difference in a way, but you know, it's still funny to mess with.
Not gonna lie, it would be so fire if you would run a trail now, but I guess it's not easy.
Oh yeah, no, I don't not have that yet. No. No. But we're getting to it. We're getting to it. Enjoying the journey.
What's next?
Now we need to actually upload the vertex data. How you build this for VR
right.
headset? Ah.
Cheesecake is here.
Good.
Wait, who or wants to wait Fred Master's code? Okay, here Cheesecake is back, and Cheesecake is.
No, not during the live stream. I can't do that because I should actually be doing the listing.
Okay, Harold, do you want to judge it as well? Okay, but yeah, then let's move. We'll be back in
How I did this for a VR headset. There's OpenXR, which is pretty much. This has a Vulkan tutorial here as well.
Sorry, Lucas.
What? I moved me by accident, lol.
I accidentally moved you too, bro.
I know, no worries. See you in a bit. But yeah, this one is pretty alright. And then there's another Vulkan tutorial, OpenXR, which I followed. But yeah, this one actually gets you pretty good on the way. Like, let's see, was it? How far was it? Interactions. there. I mean, it gets you to this point where you can drag and drop the cubes in VR, right? So, yeah. I did not have hot reloading back for that project, but I don't think it's really necessary because the time it takes to write the code and check if it works, you have to put on the headset and everything, so it's not even worth the hot reloading. Unless if you have like your 2 people, one doing programming, the other one in the VR headset, I guess then it could be worth it, because then the one could just be playing around while the other one is making changes to the code. But if not that, I wouldn't probably do it solo because it's sort of a pain. Who else are joining your stream through Discord? There's like 4 other people, but they went on to a code review session. There's a new guy in or not new guy, it's a guy who has been with us for a while, but he's trying to learn C, so we're doing C code review for him. But I won't do it during the stream because I'm supposed to focus on this. Would have joined if it wasn't during the stream. Yeah. Let's see. What we'll do now is to actually load in the we should also free this pipeline, but I'm not, it's kind of temporary setup right now, so I'm not too concerned about leaking memory. Now what I want to find out is, what's it called again? Buffer address, device address. We're gonna take that. And let's read on that, because I don't think... So we just create a normal buffer, which we then just map the memory to, and then... Let's see... Shouldn't be anything too complicated, right? Yeah, okay, let's get on to it, because this is basically the same that we have right now in the triangle, but I have it in here in hard in code instead of in the shader. So I'm gonna do it in here for now. Well, maybe I should... We can also make it in the temporary here. I'm gonna call it just vertex buffer. Buffer. And it's just a... Don't I have buffer in here? I don't. I have image, but I don't have buffer. Funny. Const buffer equals at the... This, yes. Good. Oh my god, const. I can't spell const. Buffer. Import. And we're gonna take in from Vulkan. And then I think I have just buffer. Bam. So, in the OpenXR, can we connect the PC and mobile player with it also? Yeah? You're writing in Zig, why not C++? Wait, I'm gonna answer the first question. In the OpenXR, can we connect PC and mobile player with it also? Yeah? I mean, it's just a matter of implementation, you know. Wait, let's see. I think it's in the intro page here.